Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance oil life for how it keeps track within your system. So first we will start the car. And then once it's started, we're going to be using these controls here to toggle between everything. So this is the main one we'll start with. So as we push this, it goes through your menu items. So I'm just pushing a few times here. All right, then we get to this last one here, and then scroll down to maintenance, and I would scroll down using this button here, so you can go up or down with this, and then we'll push this in a moment. So again, we'll scroll down to maintenance, and then I'm going to push enter, and then service, I'm pushing enter again, and then this one's set so it's not keeping track. So you can obviously set it that way if you'd prefer, or if you do want it to keep track of your intervals, you'll just add in whatever distance you want. And again, I'm just using enter and up and down for all of these. So say you want 3,000, enter. So now it's set to keep track every 3,000 miles. And that's it. And then if you wanted it to go back to this 0, which it already is reset, you just hit this reset. I'll put it back the way it was because don't need to keep track in this car. Let's enter, and it's all saved automatically when you do that. So that's it. If you want to go back, you can just turn the car off or just hit these menu buttons or the back buttons. But I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.